The products of the following reaction. The starting material is 2-methyl 1-butene, that is 2-methyl 1-butene, 2-methyl 1-propene. 2-methyl 1-propanone reaction with cold sulfuric acid as well as sulfuric acid at 80 degrees centigrade. In case of cold sulfuric acid, you can expect it is the combination of H plus followed by HSO4 minus. Electrophile initiates the reaction. As a result, stabilized cation intermediate is formed over here. So here H is connected, it formed as cation. On that cation, sulfonate is connected. So therefore, this is the corresponding product. Whereas if it is sulfuric acid at 80 degrees centigrade, whatever the intermediate we are expecting is, this is the intermediate after addition of H plus. This intermediate once again readily connected over the starting material. If I feel this is our starting material, so as electrophile, this is making an attack over here. As a result of this particular reaction, the expected product is this will be the product. After formation of this particular attack, it is converted as cation. On the same cationic system, HSO4 minus is acting as a base. In the presence of base, from the adjacent position, proton elimination takes place. Thus, proton elimination from here occurs to generate more substituted compound. Hence, the resultant product formed will be this. This is the compound formed over here as final major product when sulfuric acid is added under hot conditions like 80 degrees centigrade. So in this reaction, if we thoroughly observe, in the first case it is acting as cation, that is electrophile, and this is acting as nucleophile, whereas in the next case the electrophile H plus initiates the reaction. As a result, it generates the cation. On that cation, this cation as electrophile attacks over the system, thus results into another one cation. This participates in elimination reaction in the presence of generated HSO4 minus as base. Thus it results into the formation of what more substituted, possible more substituted alkene formation takes place. The expected alkene or the formed alkene in this case is like this.